डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 2.29 चैप्टर दैट इज इंट्रोडक्शन टू लीनियर पोलिनोमियल। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ लीनियर पोलिनोमियल 5x minus 3 if. So, if we go for the solution, then let, okay, we are attempting first part of this question, and let the given polynomial is denoted by p of x equals to 5x minus 3। हाँ जी, मोर स्पेसिफिकली लेट पी एक्स, जो हमने जनरलाइज हमको ये पोलिनोमियल दे रखा था, इसको हमने डिनोट किया है पी एक्स से। हाँ जी, नाउ इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to find the value of the polynomial that is given here at x equals to 0. It simply means we have to substitute x by 0 in the given polynomial, or simply we can write here as 0. Okay, now where what now at the place of x we will substitute the value 0 in the bracket. Yes, now here it means 5 into x, and we have substituted 0 in the place of x. That means 5 multiply 0 minus 3. 5 multiply 0, that is 0 minus 3, and 0 minus 3 equals to minus 3. Here the value of the polynomial at x equals to 0 is the value of the polynomial at x equals to 0 is minus 3. Minus 3. It is the required value of the polynomial. Now go for the second part, that x equals to minus 1. Now we will substitute minus 1 in place of x in the given polynomial, and that is s. We have substituted the value in brackets because it is helpful in our calculation part. It will help us calculating. It will help us in calculating the given polynomial at given value of x. Now that is 5 multiply minus 1 minus 3 p minus 1। 5 की मल्टीप्लाई जब हम 1 से करेंगे that gives minus 5, and here is minus 3. Here the sign of both numbers is negative, hence we will add these numbers and the sign will remain minus. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the required answer is minus 8. That is the value of the polynomial at x equals to minus 1. Now the third part, x equals to 2. We will substitute 2 in place of x in the given polynomial, and we will do it in the bracket because it will help us in calculating our expression. Now it means here it means 5 into x. So here after substituting the value 2 in place of x, that means 5 multiply 2. 5 2 ja 10 minus 3. P of 2 equals to 10 minus 3, that is 7, and so it is our required answer. So we have find the value of the given polynomial at three different points, that is at x equals to 0, at x equals to -1 and at x equals to 2. Now the second question, again here we have to find the value of the given quadratic polynomial. Here the polynomial is px equals to 7x square minus 4s plus 6. Now let me know why this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial, and the answer is because the degree of this given polynomial is 2, and that is why it is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, so now we are supposed to find the value of the given polynomial at s equals to 1. So you will go in the same way as we have done in the first question, that solution let px, sorry, here in the place of x we have to write s because the variable is s. 7s square minus 4s plus 6. Okay, now the first part at s equals to 0. Now p of 0 equals to, substitute 0 in place of s at every position in the given polynomial, and we will do it in bracket. Okay, now let me know what is the square of 0. Yes, the square of 0 is 0 square equals to 0, that is 0 minus, here 4 multiply 0 plus 6, p of 0. Now this means 7 multiply 0 minus 4 multiply by 0, that is 0. Again 7 multiply 0, that is also 0. Now the answer is plus 6. Now the second part, s equals to -3. P of, we will substitute -3 in place of s everywhere. Now look at the question. We have substituted the value of s in bracket in the given polynomial at every position. Okay, now we will calculate it. 7. What is the square of -3? -3 squares equals to 9. Plus or minus? Yes, plus. The square of any number will always be positive. Yes. Now that is -3 square equals to 9, and that is 4 multiply -3 plus 6, p minus 3 equals to 7 9s are 63 minus. Okay, now you will find here the 4 is having negative sign and 3 is also having negative sign. So minus multiply minus is plus, and 4 3s are 12 plus 6. 63 plus 12 plus 6, and this all will add up to 81. Now you can check it. 63 plus 12, that is 75, plus 6, that is 81. In the same way, you can find the value of the given polynomial at s equals to 4 and you will let me the answer in the comment box.